up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna turbo the 350Z. I went on the wish app the other day and I ended up buying this so-called turbo whistle, and it took like 3 months to get here, but it got here, right? So now I'm gonna put it on the Z and basically see how it sounds. So stay tuned, you guys. All right, so let's go get this thing installed. I should probably turn off the car though. No, I think this thing just goes right here. I think. Holy fuck, that's hot. Bad idea, bad idea. I think we should be good. All right, let's hear it. Okay, so I got the turbo whistle on. I revved it a few times, but I don't hear anything. So I'm gonna go in the street, give it some gas, see if we even hear anything, if this thing even works or not. So yeah. All right, so let's do a little pull. Let's do a little pull to see if this thing even works. Oh my god. I don't know if it works. This thing is just loud as hell in general. So I don't think it's working, you guys. But I'm gonna try to get some outside shots to see if it's even doing anything. You could hear a little bit of a spool, but that's about it. I think the TOMEI is just way too overpowering for it. But we'll see. I'm gonna take some outside rotors to see if I hear anything else or not.
Hey fucker, is that a TOMEI?
Turbo whistle and it's can you hear it? No way, you can't hear shit, right?
I was like, what the fuck's that hanging off the tip? And I'm like, oh shit, he actually did it.
You can't hear shit, right?
That's too loud.
It does, bro.
Hey fucker, is that a TOMEI?
Alright, so apparently this was a fail. Remember how it used to be red and now it's like orange, so I'm gonna take it off. Minion, help me take it off. Help me take it off. Be careful though, cause it's hot.
Well, let it cool down so you put it in here.
You don't have like a rag? Oh yeah.
Put it when it's cold. Yeah, you nigga jump anyways, eh?
Oh yeah. I'm stupid. I could just park it in the garage, you know? I have a garage now. Park it in the garage and that's it. Alright, so that was a complete fail, as you guys could hear. It didn't really do anything. I don't know if it's the exhaust that's way too loud or what it was, but I've seen some videos of some people with it and it makes the noise, so either that or I installed it incorrectly, but there it is. I'm gonna let it cool down before I take it off, you know. My dumbass touched it and I burned myself earlier, so yeah. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Remember, I'm doing the 1,000 subscriber giveaway where I'll be giving away an Xbox, GoPro, PS4, or a pair of AirPods to one lucky subscriber. Alright, hope you guys have a great day and see you next time.